So in 2024 was a lot of things that we could have complained about when it came to the sneaker game, especially when we talk about Kobe's. You know, I wanted them to drop Kobe's more and make them more available. But as I was preparing for this video and I'm looking back over 2024, man, it was a pretty good year. Nike did their due diligence. They did their part as far as dropping more at Kobe's. Stock numbers might have been limited, but they gave us more options and more opportunities to cop them, man. Today, we're going to be ranking my Kobe pickups of 2024, man. And to be honest with you guys, I got more than what I thought, and it was hard to create this list. And it was very hard to rank these things. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's get right up into it.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hand.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today, as I said, we're going to be ranking my Kobe pickups of 2024. 2025 is already stacked full of Kobe's. We got one that's dropping on the 9th already. And then, of course, February is All-Star Weekend. And then you got Mamba Days. You got so many Kobe's that's going to be dropping in 2025. All I'm going to say is good luck. But before we get up into this content, make sure you guys go and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. I have some big plans for the channel in 2025, and I thank you guys so much for the love and support in 2024. So that just means that this year is going to be even better, man. So make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, share the videos, watch the video all the way through, and comment down below. I would love to interact with each one of you guys. Now, with all that out of the way, 2024, I ended up picking up more Kobe's than I thought. Well, I'm not going to say I picked up more Kobe's than what I thought. I actually hit on more Kobe's than I thought. Sometimes we kind of focus on the didn't get them instead of the got them until we actually go back and look. And I'm going to be honest with you, man, it was a pretty good year when it came to the Kobe pickups. So let's go ahead and rank my Kobe pickups of 2024. All right, so this first one is one that I don't think we expected to get, but they ended up giving us. I think this is kind of what we expected. This was my son when he was born. This was a Kobe Air Force One, but this is not what we ended up getting. We ended up getting these. So coming in at number 7 is going to be the Air Force One Kobe. These things are fire. It's not the black ones. I actually had an opportunity to hit on the black ones, but I didn't respond in time for a raffle. But y'all see that 8 ball and the Mamba logo on the back. Details go crazy on these. Yellow outsole, Mamba logo on the inside of them. So super clean sneaker. But like I said, this one was one I wasn't expecting to hit on, or it wasn't on my radar for the year in general. I thought it was going to be the other one. So definitely had to put it on my list, but this is going to be number 7. All right, so number 6 is going to be a sneaker that didn't release in 2024, but I was able to cop it from my neighbor. Actually gifted it to your boy, and it's going to be the Tinker Hatfield Kobe 11s, man. These things are super fire. Got a little bit of cleaning to do on these, but y'all see the Nike branding on the back of these. If you remember these were iconic because of that Tinker Hatfield bread colorway in the elephant print, as far as like the Jordan relationship when it comes to the colorway and stuff like that on these. But super clean sneaker. Glad I was able to get this thing, and you know, a free sneaker you can't go wrong with. So shout out to my neighbor for showing your boy love on this Kobe assist, because you know what, it's hard to find anybody that's just gonna be like, you know what, I know you like Kobe, it's more than that, here go a free pair of shoes. So salute to my neighbor. Number 5 is going to be a sneaker that a lot of you guys did not like that they did from Kobe, and that's going to be the X-ray joints. Not sure what was the downfall of this sneaker, but maybe it was just the glow in the dark or the stickers with the skeleton on the top. A lot of people didn't like the way that they executed. I don't know, but it was something about the sneaker that you guys didn't like. But for me, it was extremely dope. I love the concept. Able to add it to my collection around Halloween time, so I feel like they dropped it around the right time. And then just the overall glow in the dark aspect of the sneaker is super fire. So number 5 is going to be the Kobe 5 X-rays. All right, so this next Kobe is super nostalgia for your boy. I didn't actually wear these things at all this year, but it was one of the ones that was super readily available when it came to a Kobe drop this year, and it's gonna be the Venice Beaches, man. These things right here, I remember when they first dropped, and just their orange on these, it was a sneaker that I had to add to my collection. A lot of people, I don't know if it was because they made so many of them that, you know what, that's what it was. They made so many of these that I feel like people were just like, oh, I don't need this one. So they went with the more limited when it came to the camo and the Phillies and stuff like that. But for me, this one was a must cop. So coming in at number 4 is going to be the Venice Beach Kobe. So number 3 is one that I wasn't able to secure back in the day when Kobe actually played. For whatever reason, not sure what happened. But being that Kobe did reside in Philly for a little while, in the execution when it came to the colorway and the stars and stuff on the sneaker. So number 3 is going to be the Kobe 4 Phillies. These things, man, you have no idea until you see them in hand, but the detail, the level of execution, the stars, the red, white, and blue, the insole, everything about it, the outsole is super fire. Everything about this sneaker screams perfection when it comes to executing what they wanted to, as far as Kobe being from Philly and just paying homage to it. So these things were fire. I ended up getting these after the drop. But I did get them for retail, so that was super cool to be able to do it, not have to pay resale for these things. So number 3 is going to be the Kobe 4 Philly. Honestly, number 1, 2, and 3 was very hard for me to prioritize and put into place, but you know, I did the best that I can. So this one got pushed into number 2 because we did have the Olympics that happened, and it was just a whole bunch of dope stuff that happened in this year's Olympics. And as I'm seeing Olympics, I'm reminded of Kobe when he was there, and just all the video footage we seen of Kobe just like pushing people, getting up early to do workouts and motivating people. So none other than the Kobe 4 gold medals. This has to be number 2 on the list, just off of the strength of, man, Kobe did some crazy things in this sneaker, bro. And he willed Team USA to that gold medal. He was like the most outspoken with LeBron and other iconic people on there. Kobe was a staple for that team, and this shoe represents that perfectly, man. Y'all see the number 10 on the back for his USA number. Extremely well executed. So number 2 on the list is going to be the Kobe 4 gold medal. All right, so number 1 has a lot of sentimental value and just brings back some kind of memories that I'm like, you know what, this has to be number 1. And this number 1, people don't like this sneaker. They don't like the material. They feel like Kobe's are a performance sneaker, that this is not the direction they should have went. But I appreciate what Nike tried to do with this sneaker, the time that they released it and everything like that. The number 1 Kobe pickup of 2024 for me is going to be the Kobe 4 Girl Dads. This is a sneaker that I feel like they dropped right around Father's Day. And just the small details in making this, that was huge, man. The picture that you see on the screen, this is the motivation behind this sneaker. And they executed well with the green. And then the orange insole to match Kobe's outfit that he was wearing on that night with Gigi. So in one sneaker, they were able to pay homage to Kobe in Gigi's legacy. But then on the inside of it, man, they hit you with that girl dad. So this was actually, and I've seen a lot of boutiques that did dope things when it came to this sneaker, as far as like picking it up. You know, you have to submit pictures of you and your daughter. You have to write a poem to your daughter, whatever. And I just felt like it brought people, I just felt like it brought dads and their daughters closer together. And I love that about this sneaker. So executed very well. Material was A1. And like I said, a lot of people didn't like that because they felt like this sneaker should have been a performance sneaker and they shouldn't have put the suede on it. Perfectly executed in my opinion, because I don't hoop in my Kobe's, I wear them lifestyle and I'm collecting them. So, but that's my ranking of my Kobe pickups of 2024. Comment down below and let me know if y'all would have did it any differently. What would you rank the shoes that you got, and what Kobe pickups did you have of 2024? I would love to see your ranking down below. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Y'all already know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, are just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.